Hello there, everybody. Blizzardbill around 7 o'clock this evening. A quiet night on the Blizzardbill Quickcast. You can see across central Michigan around 7 o'clock. Some showers and thunderstorms. They will dissipate. Otherwise, some high, thin cloud cover can be expected, giving way to areas of fog well after midnight towards sunrise. Otherwise, a quiet night. The low temperature tonight, not too bad for this time of year, thinking in the mid-60s. Some fog early tomorrow morning. Otherwise, partly sunny, 82. A chance for a shower, no big deal, Thursday night into Friday. We are watching, like we mentioned a while ago, late Sunday into Sunday night. Cold front approaching may spark some strong thunderstorm activity. That would be late Sunday into Sunday night. Hey, we got plenty of time to track it. We should be okay for tonight, but fog after midnight. Let us know what you think about the Blizzardbill Quickcast. A quick idea. Enjoy it, and we'll see you later. Bye-bye.